Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about Forex trend trading, how to trend follow the really big moves that occur in the markets and make as much profit as possible from them. When I mean big moves, I'm meaning, moves that will give you 500 pips, maybe 1,000 pips or even more. And the tips I'm going to give you, there's 12 of them. If you actually learn them and practice them in the markets, you'll have a very simple strategy, but the strategy will work long term to get the odds on your side and help you catch all the big moves. Now, in terms of trend trading and trend following, I've done other videos where I've basically given tips from some of the world's greatest traders. In this video, I've taken their tips and just worked them into what I consider to be the most important principles that you should base a trend following strategy on. Now, most traders cannot catch big moves, so they think trend trading is either scalping or day trading, trying to scalp the noise. That doesn't work. It's a low odds way of trading. Or they try longer term trend following, but they lack the psychology to get in on the big moves. They won't take uncomfortable trades. They won't take highly volatile moves. Now, in terms of making money from the markets, you've got to be able to come in with uncomfortable trades and basically buy new market highs, sell new market lows. And you've got to also hold on to the trend. You must not be tempted to bank too early. You need to run your profits to cover your losses. In trend following, you can lose probably 70 or 80% of your trades and still come out ahead. Now, in terms of the tips that I'm going to give you, they are easy to learn, okay? It won't take you long to learn them. And what they're based around is really keying off support and resistance, which is valid, and basically having your stop in the right place to limit losses, but also to allow you to run profits over the longer term without being stopped out. There's always a temptation in trend following to bank your profit out completely. Sometimes you have a big move in your favour. Never ever bank that out completely. Only take partial profits. You always come back in, but always leave something in the markets. When you have a big explosive move, the chances are it's going to continue, especially if it's come off low volatility. Now, trend following is something any trader can learn to do. Very, very few traders bother to learn what is a timeless strategy for profit. Many of the greatest traders of all time have been great trend followers, and you can learn to be a trend follower as well. And there's nothing to stop you. Those big trends are always there. You follow the tips and you'll be able to get those big moves in the market. Now, the tips are coming up. There's 12 of them, and I've just done them over some surfing footage because I really love the contrast that Ed Sakota made between trend following and surfing. Surfers have to cope with the disappointment of not finding big waves or falling off, but when they get a big wave, they're going to surf it for all it's worth. So here are my top 12 tips that help you become a successful Forex trader by just practicing the timeless strategy of trend following the big moves. So here they are, and I hope you enjoy them.
Thank